and processing massive amount of real-time IoT sensor data. Okay. Time series data, storing and querying large volume of time-stamped data. Example, logs, metrics. Okay, timestamp means nothing like data. Okay, this timestamp, right? This also I'm planning to. This basic things are there, right? Like so, keywords, especially in the IT, I'm planning to make a one video. In that video, we will see all this. Okay. So global application. Okay, for now, timestamp data, which is like something like storing and querying large volume of timestamp data. For example, consider as logs, metrics. Okay. Yeah. For now, global application serving global distributed users with low latency rates and writes. Okay, which means this Cassandra supports global serve as well. Okay. Yeah. Amazon Document DB. Okay, guys. Now we will see about this Amazon Document DB with MongoDB capability. Okay. Amazon Document DB is a fully managed document database service that is designed to compatible with MongoDB, a popular NoSQL database. It is optimized for storing, querying, and indexing JSON-like documents, making it ideal for application that deals with large amount of semi-structured data. Okay. You saw Apache Cassandra is a NoSQL database designed to handle large amount of data across high availability for blah 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 blah. Okay. This is for NoSQL database, guys. And DocumentDB, isn't it? Here you see DocumentDB. This is for storing, querying, and indexing JSON-like documents. Okay, storing, querying, and indexing JSON-like documents like semi-structured data. Whenever you see, guys, see, I'm telling you, semi-structured data means you should keep in mind it's like a JSON. Okay, document. Okay, so we'll see in detail. MongoDB capability. MongoDB is designed to be MongoDB compatibility, compatible, meaning that you can use the same tool, driver, and library as you would with MongoDB. Okay. It allows seamless migration of MongoDB application to AWS without changing much of the code. If you're using MongoDB, right? This one is very easy. In the AWS, it's easy to migrate MongoDB application to AWS without changing much of the code. Since it is MongoDB compatible. This DocumentDB is Amazon DocumentDB is MongoDB compatible. If you want to migrate MongoDB application to AWS, it's very easy with less code. Okay. So managed service. Like other AWS managed database, DocumentDB handles backup, patching, monitoring, and scaling. Okay, backup. Backup means you'll have a copy of the database. Patching. If you want to do any patching, like want to update or something, that you can do. Monitoring. Basically monitoring, like if anything happens, that will be captured and you can troubleshoot it. And scaling. Scaling means you can scale the database, scale down. So all this automatically. Freeing you from infrastructure management. These are like infrastructure management. These everything taken care by AWS. Okay. Scalability. DocumentDB automatically scales storage up to 64 TB. Okay, and supports horizontal scaling and read replicas to improve performance for heavy workloads. Okay, DocumentDB automatically scales storage up to 64 TB, guys. Okay, and support horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling, I said you. Here it's a good example. If you want to handle more workload, more storage, so you will increase the storage. That is nothing but horizontal scaling. Okay. Just like in the my previous video, I explained, I mean, horizontal means like if you want to add more nodes, so that If you add more nodes, what happens? You can handle more workloads. Just like that, here, you, if you increase more storage, it will improve the performance for read-heavy workloads. Yeah, that's it. Replication and fault tolerance. It uses a multi availability zone architecture with 6 copies of your data distributed across 3 availability zones. This ensures high availability and data durability. So 6 copies of data distributed across 3 availability zones, guys. Okay, in 3 availability zones, 6 copies of data are distributed. Okay, high available and data durability. This is all you know. Flexibility and data model. DocumentDB store data in JSON-like documents, guys. Basically, that JSON format, okay, allowing for a flexible schema where each document can contain different fields and structures. This makes it suitable for applications that handle diverse or semi-structured data. Okay, use cases we'll see. Basically, this use in content management system. So storing and retrieving rich, complex document-based data for application like blog, news, sites, or catalog. Yeah. Mobile and web application. So these are like backing mobile and web apps with semi-structured data, such as user profiles and activity log. Okay. Catalogs and inventory management. So handling unstructured data for e-commerce platforms, catalogs. Okay. We'll see one day. Content management system. Okay. So here we store and retrieve rich, complex document-based data for application like blog, news sites, or catalogs. If you see news sites and all, it's like re- we store and retrieve rich, complex document-based data. Okay. And mobile and web application backing mobile and web apps with semi-structured data such as user profiles and activity logs. Yeah. Catalogs and inventory management. So handling and structure for e-commerce platforms and product catalogs. Okay. So we'll see the quickly key difference. Okay. The Apache Cassandra and Amazon DocumentDB. Okay. So what data model it use? It's column based, wide column store. Okay. Document based. This is column based, that is document based. Basically, wide column store, and that is based on JSON format. Okay, consistent. This eventual consistent with tenable consistent, storing consistency with managed multi-agent replication. So it is by default eventually consistency, which means take some propagation of time, okay, to replicate the data. But here in MongoDB, it uses strong consistency with managed multi-availability zone replication. Okay. Here you will get, whenever you read, you will get up-to-date data in the Amazon DocumentDB with managed multi-availability zone replication. Okay. And management of Apache Cassandra is like self-managed or managed via services like data, yes, tags. Okay. This Apache Cassandra is like managed and services like self-managed managed by data stacks. Okay. And this MongoDB, I mean, DocumentDB is fully managed by AWS. Okay. Use cases like for Apache Cassandra, write heavy. It mainly is for write heavy distributed workloads. Okay. And DocumentDB is like for JSON document based application with MongoDB syntax. Okay. Because it is MongoDB compatible. Okay. Both Apache Cassandra and Mongo serve distinct purpose. Okay. Cassandra is ideal for high throughput, write heavy distributed system, while DocumentDB is best suited for MongoDB based document oriented application. That's it, guys. So this is all about the this one DocumentDB and Amazon DocumentDB and Apache Cassandra. In the next video, we'll see about Amazon Elastic Cache. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys.